What do you know about Tantra? You are listening to my presentation because you are interested in Tantra. A lot of people have a misunderstanding of Tantra. When I invite them to my talk, they think Tantra is about having orgies, having sex parties, or prostitution. Sex is 1/7 of Tantra. But there are 6 other things that involve in Tantra. Tantra is about your trust, your safety, you feeling confident. Tantra is about your sexual awakening. Tantra is about deep intimacy and connection. Tantra is about love with no expectations. Tantra is about living in your truth and speaking your truth. Tantra is about awareness, consciousness. Tantra is about spirituality. So you see, orgies are only 1/7 of Tantra. I'm not being bad about it, but it is only 1/7. So you cannot judge Tantra just by what you know. You need to explore. Tantra is the vast science, philosophy, religion, culture, way of life. It's an amazing practice that you can have a happy, healthy, blissful life.